Chalo, chalo. Let's see. So this is the minimum wages act. Why I have given this? It will give you little bit idea about the act and why the act, why is the social complaint. This is a legal thing, not that the social you have to maintain this that. But minimum wages act, if you maintain, it is good for your business. Bonus act, if you employ a permanent employee, you have to give 20% of his total basic salary as bonus. So that is for the permanent employee. With the gratuity, who has covered more than 5 years, you can give the gratuity. This is the payment of wages, another element of trade union. So normally it is not applicable to us. When your organization is bigger, then you can apply. I am coming to certain point. Okay, this is the reference web link. You see, it is written on the left side and on the right side. Related website is also there. Because when you have free time, you understand it. Otherwise, everything of your business will remain in consultant's hand. Have you understood my point? So this is required. Maybe, okay, you don't remember this of year X, year and what does it contain. But basic idea about that will help you. Especially ASI, PF and the legal say, trade license, VAT or say service tax and how to submit and what to do. This will help you. Then I will come other things also. I tell you. This is for the explosives, and I am showing some pictures. You come to this. This is a contact labor, you know. This is a weekly holidays. You see, in some big offices, okay, Saturday is half closed, Sunday is closed. This is displayed on G and H. Shops and Establishment Act. If you are registered with the Shops and Establishment Act, you just display. At least on your reception. Even of the gratuity also. Whether you obey or don't obey, your one display can add value to your organization. Have you understood my point? Because you have a gratuity thought, okay, nobody has completed 5 years, so why I give the gratuity? But I have kept the provision.
Sir, all these PDFs that are there, photo pages.
This
generally average. না এগুলো লিংক যেগুলো দেওয়া আছে না সব পিডিএফ ফাইল
এগুলো হচ্ছে গভর্নমেন্টের
অরিজিনাল অ্যাক্টটা অরিজিনাল অ্যাক্টের ডেফিনিশন
this is around 300 to 500
each PDF
is because this is laws, you know, the Apprenticeship Act, they have a only portal of around 700 pages. You know, government has kept a budget of 30,000 crore for the apprenticeship. I'll come. Why
30,000 crore?
Yes, nobody knows it. Say people take advantage of your not knowing the facts. Why you go to the consultant? Because I am less known person. He is a further known person. He is expert, so I am paying fees to get his expertise. Why people are coming to us for handicraft? We are expert in handicraft. They have only name. They have heard that they have seen the product. They are paying more. We are preparing one thing at 200. We are selling at 300. So we are getting the value of expertise. They have the knowledge. They are getting the why the entrepreneurship equal remuneration, okay, say suppose you have kept say female employee and male employee, you are giving a little bit male to more salary of equal qualification. Don't do, this is a discrimination. See, you have issued the amount letter, okay, based on his qualification you can give the lower remuneration, but don't same qualification, both are graduated, both are in a
sir, I will female complaint with us.
Not only complaint, don't think that complaint, you see. So, say as we have everybody has a good certificate, so goodwill of the organization. Forget about the complaint. Think of goodwill. Goodwill is important. Okay?
good competition
Why I am telling very often we do wrong, you know. We keep employees, but we don't get the amount letters. We don't give the salaries in time. We give, but we don't keep records. So that will help to manual and procedures and why you are taking the attendance. So you know you are a businessman, you have enough knowledge, you may come, you may not come, but it shows your interest. Whether you come regularly, whether you have a on and off situation, whether you come to class. So that is very important. I don't understand my point. So when you keep some documentation is the first sign of going to a rich businessman. Documentation is very important. Not only for this, in the website also. You are complying in certain manner, you can upload in the website. I have seen in heritage website, no? You have written, na? Child labor, we don't engage child labor in Kusum Enterprise.
2004 में बनाया था यार।
Now I have seen 19 is there. This is the International Code of Standards. You see, Code of Conduct means when you employ somebody, you can, okay, this is the, just like when you attend some colleges, they have Code of Conduct. You have to come to class in time, you have to maintain the discipline. So you can implement a Code of Conduct for your employees. If there is a dress code, and this is very vital. If you implement a dress code, the uniformity happens. For the certain category and certain groups, not for the everybody. Okay, who is a vice president, who is a director. But okay, a lot of say 20 people is working, they are young. If you want a dress code to be followed, it is visibility and brand visibility is very important for the dress code. And then come to fair treatment. We have discussed prevention of involuntary labor and human trafficking. Fine. Then come to prevention of underage labor, juvenile worker. Normally you don't consider working hours. It is mentioned. When you mention, when you do appointment letter, give appointment letter, you just mention the duty time, duty schedule. Or okay, you don't mention in the appointment letter, it is a one page. You give a terms and condition of your jobs and keep it a common copy. So you give in a separate, the payment plan you can give separate. Your payment plan as per our company's terms and policies, that it may rectify time to time. You give a clause in the last. So today, okay, you have this payment plan, we can rectify. That is our board decision and company decision. Keep this clause. Normally say today you are not handling employment. But I have seen, I have discussed one case, he is doing business of 5 years, but he has only 2-3 years. It is happening for the all MSC. 90% MSC have a manpower less than 10 across the India. And for that reason, they are not growing very fast. It is a very odd scene. Because if you recruit the trained manpower, your business can grow very fast. In 1 year, you can reach 1 crore. You don't require it to be a 3 year to reach a crore. Okay? You keep it. And especially, don't forget the manpower training. We don't require manpower, we require skilled manpower. And as per the industry requirement. So that is maybe artisan, maybe some sales, maybe some accounts. Then come to this health and safety get discussed. Then prevention of, you know what is ergonomics? Who can explain ergonomics?
Ergonomics are practices, more than practices, those are product features which
Help to the employee to do the better performance.
they don't have health hazards.
Exactly. The chair, design of table, design of, exactly. It should be proper. Now you know there is a furniture called Gautier, you know, G-U-T-I-A. They are very famous in ergonomics. They design the furniture or office furniture as per the standard and requirement.
What is the spelling?
G-U-T-I-E. They are one. They are very famous.
Italian.
They are very famous in making the high-end chairs. You know, in the hotel, there are different sets of chairs and tables and decorums. In case of ours, now when we use the drawing board, so drawing board is different, the sitting chair, or when you sit long time, we use a revolving chairs. And value-added things, na? You can use a, okay, you are a supervisor, you can use a wall with a glass, you can see through the glass, something is happening or not. So that will come, the pictures is there. Otherwise, you are a supervisor, you are enclosed in a four wall and which is not transparent, you cannot view what is happening. If some accident is happening, you cannot see. So boss's chamber normally should keep with a glass which you can view. Keep a vertical, fine, when you need vertical you use it. But if you supervise, when the people box is not down, phone is not there, you can check what your employees are doing. And this will add value because they will think, okay, our boss is with us. Or they will think a separate idea. I am here, boss is there, TV is there. You know, uniformity gives more dignity rather than the discrete. Work, health and community, okay. This is a hazardous substance. Somebody, Sunal, say when you use some colors, check that whether people are working with the gloves, hand gloves must. Because okay, color has some chemicals, some inorganic chemicals that can harm their skin. In also Banjar paint, in Asian paint, they maintain these laws very strong. When somebody purchases some paints, they will ask whether people are working with the hand gloves or not. Because this is a health hazard, no? Chemical
According to
you are
your
taking a
process.
little bit prevention. Or anybody who is doing it with their garbage dyeing, say, no, you know, Batni print in Jaipur, the Batni is there, they mix a lot of chemicals and put the sarees and take the different designs. They also need to wear the hand. Even you see the big doctors, they have a dress code when they go to operation. Even the nurses, they may be highly educated, gold medalists, but they have a certain dress code. Even the doctors also, if they don't follow the MCI will cancel their registration. We are not obeying our code of conduct and compliance. Even doctor, in today's all operation is done under CCTV surveillance. You put certain norms, if court asks, they will want to see how you have done the operation, what the nurses.
Government doctors के जो अस्पताल
Huh?
वो government doctor है
Huh?
family hospital के सी
You see, you know the Kunal Ghosh, the famous Kunal Ghosh case. He is in sitting America, his missus was treated wrongly, so huge compensation and this, that. Even doctors, they get cancellation of registration, this happens. In each month, at least they cancel 30 registrations. Maybe gold medal is the name. Very tough thing. Even the big doctors become practiceless or degreeless for the next year. Very ethical, very ethical.